guys, Dave Johnson here. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel if you will, please. Ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, put us a comment in the comments box if you're liking my videos so far. Okay, today I'd like to talk to you about web hosting. For those of you that might be interested in web hosting, or just hang on a minute guys, even if you're not interested in having your own hosting, you can supply other people with hosting with what I'm going to tell you next. So here we are at unlimited web hosting. I'm going to leave you a link underneath this video, so it'll take you straight there if you are interested. It might not be for you, but go along and have a look anyway. Okay, so here we are. You've got all your usual packages with it. Okay, so this is for £1 a month, and just look at all these guys. Look at that, for £1 a month. That is for, I think it's for the first, it's there, it's for the first month for only £1, and then it goes up to £3.49 a month. Okay, so if we just compare that to, say, one of the more regular sites, shall I say, let's go to HostGator. Okay, so there's £2.75 a month. You only get a single domain, and look, you don't get much with this package at all compared to that one. Look, for £3.49. Okay, so that alone is a bit of a saving for you guys, but this is the big saving I wanted to talk to you about: the reseller hosting, £7.49 a month. Now that is for the first month, granted, but for £15.99 a month, which will be a regular price after the first month, you're going to get all this, look, and you can resell it as your own. Okay, so I'll just put it onto view more there. So here it is, super fast, unlimited reseller web hosting. Okay, so basically what it does is it supplies you with your web hosting that you can use yourself, obviously. So that's a saving. So you haven't got to pay that money for your own web hosting. You can use it yourself, and also you can sell it to clients yourself. Unlimited, it says here, look, unlimited client accounts. It makes your own branding, so you can sell it to your customers as though it's with your name on it. Okay, you get all your certificates with it, anti-spam protection, free daily backups. It works well with WordPress. Go along, have a look at it guys. I'm just bringing you the details of it so that you can make your own decisions. But to me, that's a bargain. If you want a product, it's there all in one, and you're hosting your own website as well, all for £14, sorry, £14.99. So get on this one guys, have a look at it. It's up to you. I don't know whether you want it or not, but I'm sure that's a bargain. It's got to be. Okay guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, press that bell, leave me a comment in the comments box if you're liking what you get. Until next time guys, take care, bye.